BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last month in January, I posted 1 or 2 videos just letting you know that as of the 31st of January, Microsoft will no longer be selling Windows 10 downloads and product keys from its product pages over on the Microsoft website. Now, the 31st of January in my region has come and gone, and that was yesterday in my part of the world. So it is official now that Microsoft is no longer offering Windows 10 product keys and downloads for sale from their website. So if you are trying to access the pages for Windows 10 licenses, it will no longer be possible. And if you are visiting the Windows 10 Home and Pro product pages, you will now be redirected to the Windows 11 product page on their website, as we can see, and that will show you how to get Windows 11. Now, although this is the case, just 1 or 2 things to take note of, as I have mentioned previously, but just to do a quick recap. Windows 10 licenses and downloads will still be offered for sale by third-party retailers, be that your local computer store or online. So you'll still be able to purchase Windows 10 from third-party retailers. That's the first thing to take note of. The second thing to take note of is that Windows 10 as an operating system as a whole will still be fully supported up until the 14th of October 2025. So your operating system will still work. You're still going to get all the quality updates, cumulative updates, security updates, bug fixes, and so on. So the operating system is supported until October 2025, according to Microsoft. And then the last thing to take note of, as I have mentioned previously, you will still be able to get access to the Windows 10 installation media downloads over on the Download Windows 10 software download page, where Microsoft is still making the installation media, as in the Update Assistant, the media creation tool, and also ISO image files available for download. So although you won't be able to officially purchase a Windows 10 product key and a Windows 10 download, as mentioned, you can still get those from third-party retailers for sale, and you'll still get access, and they will still offer Windows 10 installation media downloads on their Download Windows 10 page. So just a couple of things to take note of, and as mentioned, it's official now. No more Windows 10 for sale over on the Microsoft website as of the 31st of January 2023. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.